Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 11th, subject economics, higher secondary school khumriyal. Yesterday we discussed types of bar diagrams, and today we are going to repeat the same topic. Now look here. This is the first type of bar diagram, simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagrams are of two types. Vertical bar diagram, this is vertical bar diagram, and this is horizontal bar diagram. This vertical bar diagram here shows the data of birth rate in the years. The length of bar diagrams here show the birth rate, and breadth of bar diagrams indicate the years. This indicates one decade years, that is 10 years, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, and here it indicates birth rate 45%, 35%, 30%. This is the birth rate, and this is the vertical bar diagram. This is vertical bar diagram. Now here it is horizontal. Its second type is horizontal bar diagram. Here are the marks shown. Students and marks. A's marks is 300, B's marks is 250, C's marks is 200, D's is 150, and E's is 100, F's 50. Here it indicates horizontally. Breadth shows the student. Breadth shows the student, and length shows the marks of student. A is 300, length is 300. Here it is the longest bar. Here it shows 300. That means A's marks is 300, B is 250, and C is 200, D is 150, E is 100, F 50 only. So this is the horizontal bar diagram. These are both the diagrams are simple bar diagrams, vertical bar diagram and horizontal bar diagram. Number 2 is multiple bar diagram. Here it is multiple bar diagram. Here these are the two types of bars here. See here, one is shaded and another is unshaded. The shaded portion shows one data and the unshaded portion shows another data. That is, see here, this is birth rate and this is death rate. It is called for comparison. See here, this is for comparison. 46 is the birth rate, 36 is the death rate. 45 is the birth rate, 31 is the death rate. 40 is the birth rate, 27 is the death rate. 42 is the birth rate, 23 is the death rate. 41 is the birth rate, 19 is the death rate. 37 is the birth rate, 15 is the death rate. And same is the case here, 32.5 is the birth rate and 11.5 is the death rate. So these are the two types of bars. One is shaded and next to it is unshaded. These two bars indicate birth rate and death rate. One is shaded and another is unshaded. So here it is for these two bars are for comparison. This is called multiple bar diagram. This is called multiple bar diagram. It is for comparison. We can differentiate here these bars from each other. See here, this is the 46, this is 36. That means 10 is the difference between birth rate and death rate. So this is number 2 type, multiple bar diagram. Now third one is, here it is subdivided bar diagram. What are subdivided bar diagrams? These are the diagrams in which a bar is divided into two parts. A bar is divided into two parts. One part of it is shaded and another is left unshaded. So at the top of the bar there is given the total. Here it is 46, it is 64, total is 110. So the value of this bar is 110, but 46% is here shaded and 64% is unshaded. इनका जो टोटल यहाँ दिया गया है वो है 110. देखिए यहाँ हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, थर्मल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, टोटल प्रोडक्शन यहाँ दी हुई है. टॉप पर टोटल प्रोडक्शन, दिस इज द टोटल प्रोडक्शन. थर्मल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इट इज़ 46. Thermal electricity is 46 and no, thermal electricity is 40, hydroelectricity is 46 and thermal electricity is 64. That means total production is 110. Here is hydro is 49, 72 is thermal, total is 121. Here it is 48 hydroelectricity, 82 is thermal, 130 is total. Here it is 51 and thermal is 89, total is 140. This means here it is shaded portion indicates first kind of